Hey you guys, thank you so much for joining me for another video today. Today I was actually doing a little bit of shopping for my nephew's birthday, and I came across this at my local Target. Didn't even know that these were out, but it looks like they're doing a retail version, kind of like what they were doing with the Prism. They're for $49.99. But in the Prism, you got one autograph and one memorabilia card. In this one, it looks like you get one autograph and two memorabilia cards per box on average. You get 6 packs per box, 10 cards per pack. Looks like for people who are into the Blitz app, you get 10 free packs. Looks like you get look for one stunning Opti Chrome insert and 12 rookies per box on average, as well as 2 parallels numbered to 99 or less. And yeah, and then like I said, the autograph and the memorabilia card, or 2 of those per box. It was $49.99, just like it says, and it does have this little tag on it here that says only at Target. Looks like they're the only ones carrying at least this version of it. So let's get into here and see what we can get. See if we can find some good stuff. Didn't expect to come across this at all, so I'm actually kind of stoked to be opening something new. So like I said, there's 6 packs. Looks like that's how it comes. Hope you guys had yourselves an awesome day. A crazy Monday night game last night in the 50s. Alright, so let's see what we got here. This is the base, Joey Bosa. Take a look at the cards. Alan Hearns, Kirk Cousins, Andrew Luck, Cam Newton, Alex Smith, got action-packed Gronk, oh, nice, got a numbered Gurley, Crusade, 9 of 99. Said you got 2 of those per box. It's a pretty nice card right there. So if we got a Sam Darnold rookie card coming in next, and then Carlton Davis as well. As you can see, the cards there isn't too much to them. They're pretty basic design. Nothing like Prism or the Phoenix or Illusion, some of the flash you get with some of these cards these days. Le'Veon Bell, Aaron Donald. Guy's just a monster, Aaron Donald. Corey Davis. 2 more sack fumbles last night. Alex Collins, Leonard Williams, Dougie B, my guy right there. Touchdown Club, Alshon Jeffrey. Pretty cool card. Got Allen Robinson. Nice. Another numbered card. 23 of 75. And then we got Durham Smythe in Deron Payne rookie cards. Alright, so 2 packs down, we got 4 to go. Nice. Just a Russ. Always good to get that. Just a base card, but nice. Clay Matthews, Kenyon Drake, AB, Brandon Cooks. This looks like a hit. Got Precision Passers, Carson Wentz. Rookie Harrison Phillips. And Kyle Aletta. Thought it was Cowboys. Oh, nice. Got a rookie insert. Looks like rookie rush. Bradley Chubb. And I'm guessing this is Gallup because this looked like Dallas. Says wide receiver. Nice. Michael Gallup. Nice. 4 out of 10? Kidding me? This is a sick pull. I'll grab a better sleeve for that. Super stoked. Sorry about that, guys. Just wanted to grab a sleeve for this sick Gallup I just pulled out of a retail box. 4 out of 10. RPA. 3-color patch. So definitely stoked on these. So definitely recommend snagging a box of these if you can. That's only my first hit. Or at least that's the autograph of the box. So the mem cards, whatever they are, I don't even really care. Vontaze Burfict, as far as value. David Johnson. Leonard Fournette. Demarius Thomas. Matt Ryan. Nice. Ezekiel Elliott, standing ovation insert. Another Ezekiel Elliott, star-studded insert. This looks like a Cowboys box for sure. Christian Kirk rookie card. He's having a great season. Nice, 2 good rookies in Roquan Smith. Definitely pleased with the box so far. And so these should have our last 2 memorabilia cards since we got our auto already. Our sweet Gallup. Can't believe I pulled a 4 out of 10 auto out of this. It's pretty sweet. Mr. Tom Brady. Got a Kareem Hunt. Vontaze Burfict. David Johnson. Leonard Fournette. Grab the rookies first. Daniel Carlson, and MJ Stewart. Leonard Fournette. Nice. Anthony Miller. Crusade. No number on that one, but another nice rookie insert. And then we got a Dak Prescott precision passers, and a Travis Kelce touchdown club. So last pack, let's put a mem card in here. Might have gotten shorted a memorabilia card, but not complaining since I got this. I mean, technically this is a memorabilia card. It's RPA, and it's 4 out of 10 of the Gallup. So I'll take that over the 1 auto and 2 memorabilia cards at least the box says you're supposed to get, and it still says per box on average. Demaryius Thomas. So I'd rather have the good hit than the 3 mediocre hits, if possible. Matt Ryan. Golden Tate. Got a Jordan Howard action packed. It's another numbered card. Out of 49, 29 out of 49. So we got 3 numbered cards. It said we were supposed to get 2 rather than the 2 memorabilia cards. But our memorabilia card is definitely not a bad one at Mitchell Trubisky. And then to finish off the last pack of the box, we've got a action pack for Russell Wilson. Nice. Sweet. Sweet card there. A Deshaun Watson standing ovation. Nice Cortland Sutton rookie card. And a Ronnie Harrison rookie card. So I am extremely satisfied. Just to recap, definitely the hit of the box. It said you got 1 autograph and 2 memorabilia cards per box on average. Got this Michael Gallup 4 of 10 RPA 3-color patch. The other memorabilia card that I got was this Mitchell Trubisky. Doesn't look like it's numbered or anything like that. It's one of the coolest things about this retail box is the fact that getting numbered cards. And like I said, it said 1 autograph, 2 memorabilia cards. I got 1 autograph, 1 memorabilia, but my auto was a RPA, and you're supposed to get 2 numbered cards per box on average, and I got 3. I got the Jordan Howard action packed, 29 of 49. The Allen Robinson. Oh, that's cool. 23 of 75. You can see it says longevity on that when you the refraction of the light. Pretty cool there. Excuse me. And then this Todd Gurley 9 out of 99 Crusade. Got a decent amount of rookie cards, like 2 per pack. So we got 12. Cortland Sutton, G. Stewart, Christian Kirk, Roquan Smith, Valletta, Harrison Phillips. Got a Sammy Darnold, Deron Payne, Carlton Davis, and then got a couple good rookie inserts. Anthony Miller and this Bradley Chubb. So definitely satisfied. Did not expect to pull as good a card as this. Sorry to overdo the point on that. Super stoked on that. Didn't expect to actually be ripping any cards today. Just like I said to start the video. Saw this at my local Target. It was $49.99. Did say Target only, so it looks like this is a Target exclusive. Rookies and Stars, 6 packs, 10 cards per pack. I got an awesome hit on the Michael Gallup RPA, so I highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. I'm sorry, I know this was long. I was just trying to be informative since this was a newer product to me. Please like or subscribe or comment below for more videos in the future. Thanks again so much, you guys. Appreciate you guys so much. Good luck on ripping any packs or boxes that you're going to be ripping yourselves, and peace be the journey. Alright, laters.